Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are just joining us, you are highly welcome to Sketchly channel. Please support by subscribing and sharing this video. On today's tutorial, I'll show us how we can use Google in-app purchases v4, that is version 4 in Sketchly Pro. So we are going to be able to use in-app purchases library version 4 because version 3 is not available, is not allowed on Play Store. So it's required that every developer using in-app purchases update to the latest, and I've done that in this video. So for testing sake, I only make use of the subscribe, but this project will cover all aspects. This tutorial will explain how to use other aspects. So we're going to do this in Sketchly. So first thing first, we create our sample app. So if your app is only selling consumable purchase, you only need this button. If it's only selling non-consumable purchase, you only need this. If it's subscribe, when the user subscribe, you can unsubscribe them. So after adding the buttons, I enable this library. Then in these buttons, I scroll right. Then we come to our manifest and add these codes to our manifest app components. We add these codes. We have this permission, the billing permission. Then we add these two libraries. We are going to add these two libraries. And this external library. Okay, we are also going to add these necessary imports. I'm going to add these necessary imports. To add an import, you first click on this file button, then you select imports. But my import will not show you since I've already selected it. So we come to our onCreate. In our onCreate, we are going to add a custom variable called billing connector. Write billing connector here. Billing connector. Then we click add. Next thing we are going to do is we are going to add two strings. One is my license key and the other is the purchase ID. So the purchase ID is the name of the product you have already registered on Play Store. When you upload an app, the first thing you have to do is first create an app. So the process is you first create an app in Sketchly, add the library and add the manifest permission. Then you upload it to Play Store. They will approve it. After they approve it, you get your license key. This is how a license key look like. And then this is my purchase ID. You can have up to 1 million purchase ID. A purchase ID can either be a subscription or a purchase. So purchase is divided into two: consumable and non-consumable purchases. So I created a list string that I will add all my purchase. So if you have more than one purchase, so what you do is you add this, then write purchase 2, purchase item 2, any name that you are registered in Play Store, item 2, and so on. So if we are only making use of consumable purchases, then what we do is we clear this and then we add this here. Or if we're only making use of non-consumable, we clear this and add this here. But if we're only making a subscription, then we leave it as it is. So this is our listener. This is our listener. This is our listener. Okay, now let's go to our button click. If a user clicks to buy a consumable item, what will happen is this code will appear. So if it's a consumable item, please replace this with the name of the item. Replace this with the name of the item that is a consumable item. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this video.